Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect with Stockpile for fractional shares, beginner guide step by step clearly. Start by downloading the Stockpile app from the App Store or Google Play. Once installed, open the app and select Create Account. Input your email address and create a secure password. Next, you'll receive a verification email. Check your inbox and verify your account. After verification, log into the app using your new credentials. Once logged in, you will be prompted to set up your profile. Fill in your personal information, including your name and address. You may also be required to provide financial details for compliance purposes. After completing your profile, navigate to the home page of the app. To explore fractional shares, tap on the Stocks tab. Use the search bar to find the stock you are interested in. Once you find the stock, select it to view its details. On the stock detail page, look for the option to buy fractional shares. Enter the amount of money you wish to invest in the fractional share. Review your order details, including how many shares you will receive. Once satisfied with your order, tap the Buy button to proceed. You may need to confirm your purchase within the app. After confirmation, your order will be processed, and you'll receive a notification. To track your investment, go back to the home page and select Portfolio. Here, you can view the fractional shares you own and their current value. That's it. You're now connected with Stockpile for fractional shares. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.